You're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 20. So what is the value of x? Now, solution from here. The first thing to note here, 3 to the power x is common. So we need just to factor out 3 to the power x. So that 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x, this is 1, plus 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x, this is 1, plus 1. Now, this is equal to 20. Now, the next step is we have 3 to the power x multiplying by 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is actually equal to 3. Now, this is equal to 20. Let's divide both sides by 3. So that now, 3 to the power x, this is equal to 20 over 3. The next step from here is to introduce logarithm on both sides. So we'll have log 3 to the power x. This is equal to log 20 divided by 3. So that now log 3 to the power x, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 3 to the power x becomes x log 3. This is equal to log 20 divided by 3. So let's divide both sides here by log 3 and also here by log 3. So that you simplify here, the value of x is equal to log, this is log 20 over 3 divided by log 3. Now the next step from here, you find that log 20 over 3, this is in the form of log a divided by b, which we can express as log a subtract log b. So applying this logarithm property, then x is equal to, this is the same thing as log 20 divided by log 3 subtract log 3 divided by log 3. So the first thing to note here, log 3 and log 3 simplifies. So this is equal to 1. So x is basically equal to log, this is 20 divided by log 3 subtract 1. The next step here, we can express 20 as 4 times 5. So this is the same thing as x is equal to log 4 multiplied by 5 divided by log 3, then subtract 1. So let's proceed from here. Now here we have x is equal to log 4 times 5 divided by log 3 minus 1. Log 4 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So we are saying that log 4 times 5 is in the form of log a times b, which we can express in this way. So x will be equal to log 4 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3 subtract 1. Now, this is the same thing as x is equal to log 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power 2 divided by log 3, then plus log 5 divided by log 3 subtract 1. So, x is equal to log 2 to the power 2 can be expressed as 2 log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3 subtract 1. So here we have that log 2 divided by log 3. This is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then x is equal to 2. So applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have x is equal to 2. This is log 2 to the power 3 plus log 5 to base 3 subtract 1. So this is the value of x. Now let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Now let's verify here. If you recall here, we end that 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x This should give us a value of 20. We'll simplify this further to 3 to power x, which is essentially equal to 20 divided by 3. So let's check if this is true. Let's substitute here 3 to power x, which is 2 log 2 to base 3 plus log 5 to base 3, subtract 1. This should give us a value of 20. So we can express 3 to power 2 log 2 to base 3. 2 is a power, so this is 3 raised to power log 2 to power 2 to base 3. Then plus log 5 to base 3, subtract 1. This is equal to 20. So 3 to power log 2 squared to base 3 plus log 5 to base 3, subtract 1. This is in the form of a to power n minus m, which we can express as a to power n divided by a to power m. So applying this exponent property, then we'll have 3 to power log 2 squared, which is actually equal to 4 to base 3, multiplying by 3 to power log 5 to base 3, divided by 3 to power 1. Then this is supposed to give us a value of 20. Now from here, we have that 3 to power log 4 to base 3. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m. This is essentially supposed to give us a value of a. So 3 to power log 4 to base 3, this is equal to 4. And then we have 3 raised to power log 5 to base 3, this is equal to 5. So let's substitute these values here. We have 4 multiplying by 5 divided by 3. This should be equal to 20 over 3. So 4 times 5, this is actually equal to 20, which is divided by 3. That is on the left hand side, we have 20 over 3, and on the right hand side, we have 20 over 3. So this affirms that the value of x, which is 2 log 2 to base 3 plus log 5 to base 3, subtract 1, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.